Got a loaf of sourdough in the fridge, but suddenly need rolls instead? This trick is going to save you every time. Instead of shaping individual rolls, I cold ferment my dough as a batard and then transform it into rolls right before baking. It's easy, flexible, and gives you the most incredible texture. Once your dough has been shaped into a batard and rested overnight in the fridge, you're ready to go. This long cold ferment is what builds flavour and makes the dough easy to handle. And this is perfect for those moments when plans change. Maybe you were going to bake a loaf, but now you need rolls for a picnic or to go with soup. This has you covered. Take your cold dough straight from the fridge, tip it out, and working quickly, divide it in half. I like to cut it lengthways and then into smaller pieces. So you generally end up with 8 rolls. Gently tuck each piece into a rough round. Don't overwork it. You want to keep all those beautiful air bubbles inside. But that's the magic of this method. Because you're not reshaping from scratch, you keep more of that fermentation and structure intact, which means lighter, fluffier rolls with that gorgeous open crumb and crusty sourdough crust. Bake them hot, either in a covered cast iron pan for maximum oven spring or on a tray with steam for a crisp, rustic finish. Same dough, totally different result, and honestly, such a fun way to bake.